All right, folks, this channel has been, we've been BitMEXing for the most part and trading. Guys, what I'm about to show you is another opportunity that looks better and is better than probably anything else we've ever done before outside of trading. And that's ExpAsset. Guys, it pays 1%. You get into, there's a 1% thing every day. You get 1%, not a little below, not a little above. It lasts for 4 months, okay? 4 months, you get 1%. The matrix the payout, the affiliate payouts on this shit is crazy. And look at this, white people, check this out. This guy's from Poland. I don't even know where to start. This shit's...
Each day we look for new opportunities. Where other people see only threats, we find possibilities. ExpAsset is a new but rapidly developing company working in the area of financial education.
Man.
We teach our clients how to trade on Forex and other financial markets.
So this has a bunch of things. This has a 1% payout every day. They give you trade signals daily, weekly. Every single day you get like 3 different little graphs of what they're checking out.
You with
These guys are
that will prepare
white guys
you for
with brown
trading
hair.
With professionals.
Not some secret Asians or Indians or you don't know what the hell's going on. It's white people and we have no idea what the hell's going on. This shit's been around for 14 months apparently. All the YouTubers in it suck. You also get my affiliate overflow. You guys are gonna get people under you from me. I just got off a thing with Oracle. Hate him, love him or hate him. You can love me or hate me. I don't care. We get in early. Everything we get in on, we make a shit ton because we get in early from divs to ARB to Gandiji to whatever. We get in early.
About innovations in financial
this is
sector,
gonna go big. It's already worldwide. They have worldwide events. I don't care about this mining shit. I actually don't like the mining shit.
We control technology thanks to our expert knowledge. Our equipment works 24 hours a day.
We don't care about this. We don't care about the mining stuff.
Supervised by the best computer specialists in order to maximize your profits in cryptocurrencies mining. We always do our best to provide our customers with professional service.
Look at that guy.
Every day, our team meet to look for a new source of inspiration. We discuss current market situations and make crucial decisions for making profits.
This is the next MLM, crypto, whatever you want to call it.
The only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work.
This doesn't really explain. Now, I'll tell you, it doesn't really explain much. They like force you to register to see all this shit. Where do we even start? So that gives us little trade things every day. You could get 1%. You'll make money off my downline overflow shit. Like literally, you're gonna get people under you from me. And so I wanted to all right, let's see here. Let's crank the music back up. You're gonna have to do your own research. It's one of those things where like you sign up at this level and you get paid from everyone under you. You get like 5% or 10% on some shit. I don't even know how it all works. But I'm buying this. All right, let me buy this. I want to do this while I'm on recording here. You get, this is 1975, all this shit, you need to have $1,000 in your 1% thing. Did it work? Click on M1000 1975. Come on, I clicked. Did it work? Okay, it did. Now I'm about to deposit all of this into the thing that pays me 1% a day for 4 months. Now, this does require KYC. It does. It does require KYC. You're going to want to put your real info, but it doesn't show your info to anyone, only your email address. You can withdraw anytime, all the time. I already saw Oracle pull money out, send it to his Exodus. Dude, guys, he's only got 130 people under him, and he's just constantly churning out money. constantly. In my opinion, the two greatest things are the binary thing that pays you 1% a day for 4 months, the matrix shit, and man, I gotta show you guys these trade things. I wish they give you trade charts. Let's see. There will be more content. They have videos on trading and everything. All right, let's see here. Trading ideas unlocked. Okay, boom. Look, inverted. Look at all this shit. It's all this shit on trading, guys. All this shit on trading here. Okay? And then every day you get graphs. You get graphs of assessments on the market and potential trades. Crypto analysis. Here, let's check this out. Guys, I'm telling you, I love shit that sells itself. Shit that looks good. Man. Live webinars. Where is I'm looking for the signals things that they show. It looks so beautiful. It's on the Oracle shit. You have 2 down legs. Whatever. I don't even know how it all works. All I know, guys, is this is the shit. It's real. It's signal trading. You get 1% a day on some shit. Live webinars every Wednesday with these Polish guys that trade. I'm gonna be talking to them. I'm gonna be diving into this, guys. I'm gonna be diving into this, and there's so much content here to go over. If you thought about YouTubing, I'm telling you, now's the time. This gives you something to talk about. So much to talk about. They were just in Italy. They're all over the world. Look, this is their little events and everything. Look, this is, I'm telling you guys. I'm telling you guys. I'm telling you. Look, there's the guy. He's in Italy. They have their seminars and shit. And it's early. But it's been around for a while. They just haven't had any kick-ass promoters like me. Or you. And so, I know I'm not really doing that great of a job at all at explaining everything. It's just I'm in a time crunch. And so in 24 hours, I'm going to be getting 1% off this every day for 4 months. The Matrix shit. And I can't wait to get their daily trade stuff I'm going to dig into. I'm going to talk with their trading guys. But I had to show this. I know so many of you guys... crypto's boring right now. It's like, well, can I trade? It's hard to find something that can earn you passive income right now. Not everyone wants to trade. This gives you trading and passive income and education. I mean, the content and the price is really good. I mean, all the content that you get. Let's go back to this. Oh, signals. I saw signals. All right, let's click this and see what it... Okay, coming soon, whatever. But they are putting out... They're already putting out... They send you charts every day of, like, things that they're looking at. What's this? Okay, it's got some basic shit. That's cool. Little audio things, video things. Man. All these girls I have that are signing up under me and other shit. God, this is right up their alley. I'm telling you, I even help you. You get downline from me from this matrix. This matrix shit, you have 2 different legs. I don't have any legs yet because I'm literally, you guys are watching me just start. Where's my matrix? Look at all this shit. Oscillators, look at all this shit. You guys, this is just, it's worth paying for just to have the organized. You can just sit here and teach yourself. So, this is a blend of everything. You're getting a blend of everything, plus that 1% a day. You're going to see me hammering this, going into more details. I couldn't wait. I had to record something, and I'm getting in this. You can love it, hate me, I don't care. I don't care. If you say some shit negative in the comments, I'm just gonna hide you from the channel. I don't care. I don't care. We get it. We get in early on things. Even this shit ended up disappearing in a year. It gives us plenty of time to make it. They're having events all over the world. Polish white guys. So, the only two little drawbacks are, yeah, it's KYC, and I'm not big on mining shit, but you don't have to do anything in this if you want to. So we're going to open up the floodgates, and let's kick some ass, guys. I'm excited. I'm excited about this because it looks so good. In sales, things that sell are really important to me. So let's do it, baby.